Today we will see what is UART. UART is a method to send and receive data between two devices or circuits. For example, this remote control is a circuit and there is a circuit in aeroplane. These two circuits can communicate using UART. Other than this, you can develop a device and communicate it with your laptop or with any other device. For example, you develop a drone, you can control it by your laptop. Now this is a circuit and it is a Bluetooth circuit. I developed it for motor control. So I connect this circuit to my mobile through this app. I connect it using this app like this, and when it is connected, this circuit sends data to my mobile, tells the water level, and this app can turn on or turn off motor. So these two devices are communicating using UART, and it is very useful. You can also develop a Wi-Fi circuit, and if I develop a Wi-Fi circuit, I can control it from anywhere in the world. You can control your complete home sitting anywhere in the world. Lights, bulb, washing machine, AC, any appliances, etc, etc, etc. All this can be done using UART. Your all home will be on your palm. UART is simple. It's not that difficult but very useful. Let's design a circuit and a software so that you may know it is not that tough. Okay, this is our controller 16F887. Now you go to here, select virtual terminal. Virtual terminal is like your laptop or your PC. We will send data to PC using our controller. It has RX and TX pin, and the same pins are also available on our microcontroller. See, this is TX and RX. Connect RX to TX and TX to RX. This is like connecting your laptop to your controller. Okay, now our circuit is complete. So you see, it's very simple. Now let's develop software. These 2-3 lines are general. Make the frequency 4 MHz. In this case, it will be better. Now we will set a baud rate. Baud rate means the speed of sending or receiving data. Command is hserial_baud. We are using 4800, but you can use other speeds too. Now we will configure our controller using register. There is a register TXSTA. It is a transmission register. Its 5th pin is set to 1. Then there is a register RCSTA. It is for reception. Its 7th and 4th pin is set to 1. Okay, 7th pin set to 1. Then RCSTA dot 4 means 4th pin of this register, it is set to 1. Okay, now our controller is configured to use UART. Now it will use TX and RX as transmission and reception pins, not as general purpose. Okay, now let's send some data to our PC. Command is HRS out, and then anything written between these inverted commas will appear on the virtual terminal and end. So you see, program is also simple and very small. Compile and let's run it. Okay, data is transferred, but not that what we wanted. It is usually because of mismatch of baud rate. Now see, baud rate is 9600 here and it was 4800 in our program. So make both of them 4800. Okay, let's check it again. Changed but not hello world. There could be another problem, the frequency mismatch of our program and controller. Yes, you see, it is 20 megahertz here and 4 megahertz in our program. Match both of them, make it 4. Okay, now it will work. And yes, it is writing hello world, yes. Now let's modify a program a little bit to repeat hello world. Set a loop here and go to loop and provide a little delay, 333. Okay, run. Yes, but it's not so suitable. Write this in new line. For new line, we use code 13. 13 means it will write in new line. I show you how. Um, like this. It's a better version. So see, it is simple to send data from your controller to the PC.